What up, YouTube? It's the Vils Kingo 3. This video just gonna be an unboxing about this grinder I got in the mail. I just got a basic grinder. I wasn't trying to spend too much because shit, I can break the weed up with my hand for free. So I just got something like real cheap and something I can use. I ordered it off of Amazon about 3 days ago for like $3, almost $4. Shipping was free. It's one of those little plastic ones. No magnets on it or nothing. These little things is kind of sharp. But I was reading in the comments, it was like these can break off in your weed and get in there while you're smoking it. Well, it seems like it's alright. No brand or nothing, but shit. I should have a review coming up pretty soon. A review and unboxing of this new bong I ordered. And some more shit with that. So stay tuned, rate, comment, subscribe.